Hi, I'm Sabrina. And today, I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Kendra, attention please. A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit, or exit still they. Do not use the elevators.
Yes. I pulled down the fire alarm. Oh no. It's my classmates, my teacher, and the principal.
Sabrina. How dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. You are so suspended for 18 weeks.
Go home right now while we call your parents. No 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 no.
Hello, Edward and Diana. Do you want to know what your daughter did? What our daughter did do this time?
She pulled down the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 18 weeks.
She did what? Thank you for telling that. She is going to be in big trouble when she get home.
Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Sabrina. Get over here right now. Sabrina. How dare you pull down the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 18 weeks?
That's it. You are grounded for 473 weeks. Go to your room right now. Wow.